This is Lee. So today I'll be debugging the code that you gave us and answering the questions that you left um, on that part. All right. So first things first, we're gonna start off by debugging. So we know that we're going to my log, and then it's like input student data. It's for 2 students. So we're stepping into that. We know that it's gonna be 2 students, and we're gonna be asking the name and GPA, which I have here. And then so we're gonna enter okay, the name first, which I put myself first. I put Marvin, and that is being stored at well, all of these are gonna be stored in the same place, but it's gonna be F6E0. And then let's continue asking for my GPA. I put a 3, and then continue, and it's stored in the same place. Now it's gonna be the second student. And of course I put Celise. Then we're gonna okay, and then we're gonna ask for his GPA, which I put at 1.2 if Celise is failing. Okay, so now time to explain what pushback means. Pushback is basically adding new data to the array, so like putting it at the end of the array. So it's just like making making the array size one step bigger, or however much data you want to put into it. But in our case, it's just one of each, one size of each array. So for example, it's just name. So for the array name, we're just pushing back name, and then for the GPA, we're doing the same thing. So it's 1 and 1 when we're doing it twice because there's 2 students. And we're gonna step into it, and then it takes us back out here, and then goes into the log. And then our second one is what is the relations between the loop index I. So basically the I and the specific data being stored. So basically, depending on how many students there are, it's like what opens the array up to a bigger size, which what I explained earlier. And then what is like the brackets and then the parentheses, basically what like the student name I is basically the relationship of that is like you're telling where the computer where to read it. So you're gonna be like, okay, so this one is gonna be on this array. You're gonna read the first one 0, and it's gonna be I, and then that's how you're able to tell. And then what happens at the end of the vector memory once you finish it? It deletes. You lose, like basically you lose everything. There you go. Nothing saved.